Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am going to wrap up a Secret Santa gift. I am a member of Fabfitfun, as you guys have seen from some of the boxes that I have used for previous swaps, and today I'm putting together a swap with a fellow Fabfitfun member. We have a Secret Santa gift exchange, so I'm just going to show you some of the things I'm giving to her here. That was a magnet from India. One of the things that she had said on Elfster was that she collects magnets from different places, so those were handmade in India, so I got that for her. I also used my paper pumpkin to decorate the stocking. I gave her a bookmark and a book that said 101 Ways to Live a Cozy Life. I bought two of those. I had previously gifted one in another swap as well. They just seemed like a really cute book, very thought-provoking and interesting for a fun little read. This is a gift bag that I absolutely adore from Chapters. She also said that she collects lip palettes and eyeshadow palettes. So in a previous Fabfitfun box, we were given those two items in a subscription, and I know that she did not receive those because she wasn't a member during those boxes, so I thought I would gift mine to her since she is such a fan. Those were her two main things that she kept saying that she really liked, so I hope that she likes those since she's a member of Fabfitfun, and that was the palettes that the company had chose to put in the box. I'm assuming that they're probably great ones. So I'm just going to wrap everything all up. I'm testing everything out to make sure that it fits nicely in the box, and then I also went to add this ribbon onto the Bath & Body Works face mask that I have included in the little Snow and Cocoa gift bag, and then I realized it wasn't very appropriate to put the hot chocolate in the little stocking here along with a face mask. That didn't really match, so I end up not combining those two together. Even though it looked nice to have the stocking backed by the Snow and Cocoa bag, I'm just going to have them put in as two separate gifts and just leave that with the ribbon saying Bath & Body Works on its own. So I'm going to put everything in here, and then I'm going to bring in some of my vintage October afternoon products to decorate. You can see that I've almost used up all of these stickers in these last two sheets, so I thought let's just put these on the gift to decorate them, and then I can be done with those sheets and I will have used pretty much everything that was on those chipboard and cardstock sticker sets. I got a lot of use out of those already. You've seen me use that other chipboard piece on a previous swap that I decorated, and I'm just going to stick the deer, and I was keeping the wrapping very simple. Those stickers are such large pieces, they're really cute. She loved candy, and that was a candy kebab from Laura Secourt, the cute little snowman, so I thought she would enjoy a nice little treat. I also wrapped up some socks from Indigo, and then I think she should like everything. It was fun to shop for her. She seems to have similar taste to myself, so I thought it was pretty easy to pick things out for her because I went with things that I enjoy. And yeah, to put it all together, put a little bit of the crinkle paper on top, and then the card was one of the ones that we made at the Crop and Create. You can see my video on that if you haven't watched it already. It was one of the close to my heart ones. So thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe.